Everyone wants that long, trendy hair, but the longer it grows, the more problems show up. Hair fall, dandruff, dryness. Skip the care and you'll regret it. So here are 5 simple steps to keep your hair healthy. Let's go. Step 1. Cleansing. The goal isn't just washing your hair, it's cleaning your scalp. Dust, sweat, and pollution build up daily, so regular shampooing matters. But understand this, shampoo only cleans. It won't thicken or strengthen your hair. That's not its job. How often? 2 to 3 times a week if you're mostly indoors. Daily if you sweat a lot, gym, or work outside. Just use a mild shampoo. Oily scalp or dandruff? Look for salicylic acid or tea tree oil. Got dandruff specifically? Go for ketoconazole shampoo. It works. And the technique? Massage gently with your fingertips for 1 to 2 minutes. Always rinse with cold or lukewarm water, never hot. Step 2. Conditioning. Shampoo strips moisture from your hair. Conditioner puts it back. After washing, squeeze out excess water. Then apply conditioner to your strands only, not the scalp. Leave it a minute, then rinse. And skip the 2-in-1 gimmicks. Step 3. Drying. Wet hair is fragile. Stop rubbing it roughly with a towel. That causes breakage. Instead, gently press and blot dry. A microfiber towel works even better. If you use a blow dryer, cool setting only. No heat on your scalp, ever. Step 4. Oiling. Oil adds moisture and protects the hair strand. After showering, apply just 2 to 3 drops to your hair, not your scalp. Your scalp already produces its own oil naturally. You don't need to add more. Once a month, a proper oil massage is fine. But if you have an oily scalp or dandruff, keep oiling minimal and never leave it overnight. 1 hour max, then wash it out. Also, if you use styling products, keep them off your scalp and always wash your hair before bed. Never sleep with product in your hair. Step 5. Nutrition. No shampoo or oil fixes a bad diet. Hair is 90% protein, so eat eggs, chicken, lentils, and chickpeas daily. Add healthy fats from nuts and seeds for shine and moisture. Get your vitamins A, C, E, zinc, and biotin from leafy greens, carrots, citrus fruits, and amla. And drink 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. Sleep well. Manage stress. It's one of the biggest triggers of hair fall that nobody talks about. And that wraps up the complete 5-step routine. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.